Hey folks, Kwame here from Square I figured I'd just show you a quick little tutorial on a new feature Squarespace has added. And this is something previously you'd have had to use a bit of CSS or JavaScript for, but now it's possible totally with vanilla Squarespace. So here you can see I've got a really generic store page, admittedly with a bit of CSS customization down here, but you don't need that. You just need to edit your page, head over to the site header, select the elements, turn on your cart. You'll see it pop up there in the top right. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for the purposes of the video. You can obviously add your borders. You can figure out what style you want in terms of the button as well. Whether you want to show the 0 in the cart. I'm going to give it a nice thick border. Let's make it as thick as it'll go. So it goes up to 5 pixels. And these actual settings that I'm just fiddling with, you can play with a little bit more with some CSS, but I'm not going to show that just now. Instead, I'm going to go here to style, and it's got icon, and boom, look at all of these fantastic options. Which one do I want to go for? I think I quite like the basic bag here. In fact, I'm going to have it filled just because I think it matches the big border. Or you could change the text to say whatever you want it. Let's go with bag, etc. So really, really simple. Yeah, there isn't much to it more than that. Hope this was helpful for some of us who might have on our sites previously done this with some CSS. Hopefully for a few people, this will let you change that and remove the amount or remove a small couple of lines. But yeah, hope this has helped someone. And yeah, look out for more tutorials. Ciao.